here are the materials for the starch and iodine experiment. So we have here dialysis tubing. This is plastic and it's semi-permeable, kind of like a cell membrane there. So it comes in a roll, kind of like a roll of tape. And I've already cut a piece of this off and I've put it in the cup of water to soak. So the dialysis tubing will open up, but only when it's wet. So here it is soaking in water. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put the funnel in it. And I'm going to put a clip on the bottom. I'm going to take some starch and stir it into some water here. So we have some starch water. And we're going to pour that into the tubing. So the tubing represents a cell membrane. So what we're trying to create here is a situation where we have starch water inside a semi-permeable membrane. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get that set up. So here I've opened up the tubing and I have it on the funnel and I put a clip on the bottom. Now we're going to pour the starch water in. And you can see the starch water is filling the tube. Now I'll put a clip on the top. And this is ready. We also have to add some iodine. So I have here some iodine. And we're going to put iodine in the water so that it looks like iced tea. So there we go. There's kind of a nice iced tea color. And it says in your instructions to put some starch water in a spot plate. I don't have a spot plate at home, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour some iodine here into a little bit of starch water I left in the measuring cup. You can see as soon as you put the iodine in there, it turns black. And depending on how much iodine and how much starch, it will sometimes turn blue or purple. So when iodine mixes with starch, when you have just iodine by itself, you can see in the cup there it's brown. When you put iodine with starch, you get either blue, black, or purple. So now we're going to go ahead and take our tube, which is a semi-permeable membrane, like a cell membrane. It's filled with starch water. We're going to set it in here. And then we're going to come back in a half an hour and see how it has changed.